guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my backyard, aka Caleb Does Crap. I made a video a while ago where I cut a cord off my fan and I can't see my face. And I wanted to use it. And I called that video, I hotwired a fan, where I'm the first person to hotwire a fan. I touched both the live wires together. Fast forward till now, 2020, I figured out how to actually hotwire a fan. Jump the switch. Now, this isn't illegal as illegal as hotwiring a car, but it is technically hotwiring. Right now this isn't live, but I'm going to actually hop on this chair soon and, do it, which means the camera will be blocked. So hold on a moment. Okay, now it is live. Not me, the fan is. But you see, there's a brown wire, which is our live, and there's another wire, which is our. There should be two other wires. Now, they're going to be different colors in each country, but live is our live here in Australia. Commonly, the blue is the first speed, the other blue is neutral, and then you have the red, which is last speed, and white, which is mid. And if I pick this up and touch them together, the fan turns on, and then when I pull them apart, the fan turns off. And that's first speed. Important note though is that once you connect one of the first switches, the fan becomes live. All the other switches become live. So I'm going to stay on this chair so I'm isolated for safety measures and pull this away and get medium. Oh my gosh. So much could go wrong, but now I'm going to quickly disconnect it and swap the speeds. So the fan's disconnected now, and as you can see, I'm touching the live and stuff. Don't do this. Don't do this at all. This is very dangerous. But if you want this fan to permanently stay on, I'm going to get these two wires. Well, actually, first I'll just show you. So just hold on a moment. Let me turn it on. Ow, I just tripped over a washing machine part. And as you see, if I get this, the higher the speed, the more the arcing, but as you see, I have to hold them together for this to turn on. Here's a solution. So, if you want this to permanently stay on, you can simply get the live wire and just twist it with whatever speed you want. As you see, right there. Now, I'm going to prove to you by turning it on inside. And that is how you hotwire a fan. I don't recommend doing this. This is very dangerous. And also, there's literally no reason to do it unless, one of the wires disconnects. Then, yeah, sure, you can do it. But, replace the switches if that happens. I'm gonna turn this off now. So, that is the basics. This should be completely discharged now. Again, I'm staying on a chair. I'm staying on a chair to keep myself isolated from ground, so that way the electricity can't run through me and shock me. Let me just turn it on. And whenever you turn on a switch, you're actually jumping these connections, so I'm holding this, ready, go. Now, I'm not going to keep this on running 24/7 because this is dangerous, like I said, but that's how you hotwire a fan. I wanted to actually figure out how to hotwire a fan due to this, but I wanted to show you how to actually oh gosh. You get the point. Pretty cool, huh? No? Yeah, fair enough. Quick mention, if you're wondering where the part for the switches are on the fan, it's literally right behind the switches. Hold on, where is it? Where did I put it? As you see, you've got all the copper lines. These are attached to the fan switches. So if you pull off the front base of the fan off, you'll find behind the switches, you'll find all those wires. So just wanted to